Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to share you with my MDI Gurgaon interview experience. So I had my interview on 17th of March 2025 and my center was MDI Gurgaon campus only and my slot was afternoon, so I have the reporting time of 1 p.m. When I reached the center, they told us that our interview will happen in Chaitanya hostel building. When I reached the hostel building, there was a waiting room there and there was a list present of the groups and the sequence number according to which your PI will happen. So there were around 30 candidates and three groups of 10 member each. And as always, I was a 10th member and I have to wait a long time for my interview turn to came. Around 1:30 p.m. they shifted us to our respective ward and the GD rooms on the second floor of the same hostel building. So when we were waiting in our respective water and GD rooms, a member from MDI Gurgaon came and said that there will be no as such document verification process. Only like they will check work experience related document for those folks who have applied for work experience. So like uh, there was no document verification process for me as I am a fresher. And around 2 o'clock, two panelists, one male and one female, came for our what and GD, and our what topic was related to PLI scheme and is it necessary for making India a global superpower. And they gave us 15 minutes to write or uh, to write a structured what. Also, they provided a fair sheet and a rough sheet, so you could first write your points in an unstructured way on a rough sheet, and then you can write in a structured way on the fair sheet. After 15 minutes were over, they collected the what sheets, and then our GD started on the same topic only. And according to my ward as well as GD went pretty decent. Also, like there were 10 members and 15 minutes for the GD. So the GD also ran very smoothly. Everyone got enough opportunity to, say their points, and there was no, cutting between each other, and no one was, trying to hijack the conversation. So once our ward GD was over, the panelists said that we have to wait in this room only, and the PI will happen in the next room, and they will call us one by one according to their sequence number. So I was the 10th number, so my turn was the last. So let's come to my MDI Gurgaon PI experience, and it's by far my most stressful and weirdest interview I have given until now in any of the colleges or job interviews till now. I had an idea that the main panelist was, grilling and, was, asking very random questions from my fellow peers, which were ahead of me in the sequence number. But when my turn came, like it was a hell for me because he started asking me random questions in Hindi first of all, and he won't let me answer the questions. And if I, told that, I am not able to answer the questions, he straight away said that then I will reject you. Like he said, I guess once or twice that, he will reject me in first 2 or 3 minutes of the interview. There were no basic questions like why MBA, tell me about yourself, which specialization I want. There were some random questions first of all. Then there were academic questions also after that, but I was not able to answer that. So that was a fault on my part also. But like literally the male panelist started grilling me like I was the last panelist. So he also said in Hindi that you are wasting our time. uh, you are the last panelist and we have to go home early. Like, I don't know what to say in that situation. I was completely blank, but I still tried to smile in that situation and maintain my calm. And then he taunted me that, why are you smiling? We are grilling you. Like, I was, like, I don't know, like, what to do in that situation. And when, the sir was grilling me, ma'am was also laughing because, sir went way, ahead in grilling and, giving taunts in my interview. And then when the sir was, over with the questions, I guess the real interview started with the ma'am. Ma'am was really nice. She asked me like why MBA and like pretty generic questions like why after BTech you want to do an MBA. And ma'am was nice, but I guess I'm not able to convert MBA at Gurgaon because my interview was very bad. And sir, sir didn't look impressed for a second only. Like there were some random questions that it if I share you with this, it won't help you because no one will ask you, I guess. But the motive of this video is that you have to be prepared that this kind of interviews can happen with you in any other colleges also. And you have to maintain your calm and be ready for that. Like I was not ready for this kind of interview, like interview speaking in Hindi, and like uh, the like his tone was also very informal and like he was talking to me casually. So yeah, that was all about my MDI Gurgaon interview experience. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment your MDI Gurgaon experience and suggest me some topics on which I can make videos or in future, because I have only 2 interviews left. One is IIM Raipur, which is on 26th of March, and I have my IFT Delhi interview on 1st of April. After that, I don't know like on what topics I will make video, maybe on CAT 2025 if you are. So yeah, please comment down your suggestions, and thank you again for watching this video till the end, and have a nice day and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and all the best for your results too.